Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by putting the garment on and pinning the neckline to the shape you want. This immediately shows how much needs to be reduced. Once pinned, take the garment off, lay it flat, and mark a new seam line about 1/2 to 1 in from the raw edge. This gives you allowance for hemming. Make sure to note center front and shoulder points, because accurate marks prevent lopsided repositioning when you stitch. Once your seam line is marked, remove any existing facing or binding by using a seam ripper so the fabric lies flat for accurate stitching. You then align the pinned edges and sew along the new line from shoulder to shoulder, easing fabric and pivoting at curves so the stitch follows the marked shape. Make sure to reinforce at each shoulder with backstitches. This prevents future stretching. After sewing, trim allowance and finish the raw edge with a zigzag or serger, and press smoothly toward the shoulder. You finish by cutting and applying a new facing or bias binding that follows the new curve, stitching it in place and understitching so the facing lays neatly inside. Once attached, press the entire neckline, and if you want extra security, top stitch about 1/8 from the edge so the allowance stays flat. If you see puckering or uneven curve, pause. Unpick the seam, shorten stitch length, re-ease the fabric, and press with steam. That corrective step usually fixes tension or easing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.